Yeah. Do that shit.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Ashley?
1, 2, 3, I want all.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Maria.
Oh, say less.
How the fuck would you show me something if I couldn't have it?
Gonna kill my dad. My grandma.
Fuck you all for, cause I'm black.
I just want a funny group of people, and then a group of people came on my screen.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
I wasn't being mean, I promise. I was, because all I've been giving is the black screen people. When they just have
Hey, yo. Oh, bling bling boy.
It is I, Bling Bling Boy.
Wait, hold on. We the judges, alright? Come on. Action.
Alright.
That's racist. Oh! Rakai, what you doing here, bro? Hold on. Yo, put your IG down there.
Yeah. Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked.
Not supposed to fuck your cat.
Fuck you all for, cause I'm black.
No, I just want a funny group of people, and then a group of people came on my screen.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Okay, looking.
So, yeah. You didn't even say nothing. You said, oh.
I wasn't being mean, I promise. I was, because all I've been giving is the black screen people, when they just have their...
Time out. That was great. Black screen.
Oh my god, you know what I'm saying.
Can you say P without using your lips?
Can I say what?
Can you say my d***?
No, what you say, yo? Oh, bling bling boy.
It is I, Bling Bling Boy.
Look like,
Nah, he vaping go crazy.
Yeah, you don't need that vape. Hey,
Boy,
that shit got no
that shit
smoke.
gassed up.
That shit got no puffs, nigga.
That's that weed shit? That's the oil pen. My son is 16 and getting high. You can tell he lied about his age. Yeah, you're about like 14, buddy. Is that Rakai? It's Rakai. Rakai, what you doing here, bro?
You give me this feeling that I never felt before.
They got mad jerseys.
Oh, okay, we got a gangbang over here.
That's racist!
Cause I'm black, bro? You look like you got a beard. She look like she got a beard. She shy. Is that a he? What?
Give me my mic back, yo nasty self.
Oh, you got it.
Oh!
Okay.
It's the right thing to do. All girls free match.
It's about damn time.
Girls only. Gotta make it work. 1 minute.
Come on, man.
What's up, Ashley?
1, 2, 3, I want all.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Wait. How old are you?
4.
How old are you? How old are
I'm
you?
20.
Too young. You know, he came up by your bottle.
Wait, okay, you got somebody next to you. Who's that?
What did I do?
He's 21.
Wait, how old are you?
I gotta think of a way to get. Huh?
20.
20.
I feel like that's the go-to.
When you turn 21?
June 2nd.
June
Oh, yeah. That's Ohio accent, June City.
Huh?
I gotta think of a way to get. Huh?
Where you from?
Georgia.
Yo, I see you got that star in your face. You heard they say about stars?
Huh?
out your mouth though.
Oh!
Get out your mouth.
Maria!
Oh, watch it go.
Oh!
Yeah.
Wait. So like, did we just make it right on time?
Yeah.
Or you was like waiting for somebody to join to be like, oh.
I bet you can't do that shit.
Do it again.
He doing it right now. He doing it right now.
Alright, ready?
Yeah,
Ready?
Oh, hold on. He done sturdy.
Okay. Oh, we got it back. Pick it up.
Y'all are all.
I want to see her face. Yeah, wait, don't go nowhere. Look at her face.
This car do not eat.
Are you streaming? Are you streaming?
No.
Stop the cap.
You good?
Are you sure?
You can show your face.
Oh,
Wow, what happened? What's the problem? Like somebody I know. That's crazy.
what is you saying? With your shirt? What you looking back for?
Oh, me.
Yes.
What about me? What happened? We got an issue. Like you singling me out and shit.
Oh, I thought you said something slick.
Nah, I said you like somebody I know.
You don't know me though.
Nah, yeah, I know that.
Why does everybody say I look like somebody that they know?
Nah, you for real new. Like it's crazy.
But I don't want to look like somebody else. I don't look like myself.
Oh, that means you easy to draw.
You got a drawable face.
Yeah, you easy to draw.
Draw?
Yeah.
Draw what?
Never mind.
This.
Wait.
That
Yo, nah, don't let me get on your butterball face ass. Watch me live, yo. Butterball face on my head.
Yo, she did.
You look mad familiar.
I'll go get a haircut with you. I ain't gonna lie.
What?
You look mad
I
familiar.
heard a song in the background. That's why I was dancing to.
Yo, we got Cash Cobain right here.
Cash Cobain right here.
Do that shit. Do that shit with your.
Whoa, Chad. I thought you about to. Wait, hold on. We the judges, alright? Come on. Action.
What?
Alright.
That's racist? Wait, why is that singing slavery? Oh!
Yeah, you gotta die.
Hey, how many do-rags are in that room? I bet there's
That's racist!
Oh!
Why is this
That's a good little racist joke. That's a good little racist joke.
Why that nigga making light skin faces?
Swing? Evil?
On that.
Yeah, he on that.
This nigga Kanye Anthony
You're
out
not on
here.
that. You're not on that. You're not on that.
I ain't gonna lie, don't talk to me.
You're not on song.
Trick look like.
How many fingers you put on your foot?
Bro, I ain't gonna front. That's a hot trick right there.
Forehead, bro.
Your mans is laughing at you. You trying to fight back. Your mans is weak.
Yo, fight.
Teach you niggas how to squabble, nigga.
Teach these niggas how to squabble.
Murder on my mind.
Mad weak.
AK-47 Mac-11.
Oh!
This nigga look like
Watch that
Anthony
back
Davis.
door, gang. Watch that back door.
Yo, word two.
Word two.
I might. Word two, I might need you.
We don't eat chopped cheese every day. Come on.
Word two. I might need you to.
I'm doing Allah. We ain't here, I'm on it.
Absolutely disgusting, by the way.
Oh! Yeah, what's up? You shy?
Oh, you don't speak English.
What she speak?
Oh, no, I'm not English.
Come on, stop.
Come on, stop, mommy.
Oh, she don't speak Spanish either.
The fuck she speak?
She speaks money, nigga.
Oh, this actor. about to do? Like,
Nigga rubbing his cat.
you're not supposed to fuck your cat.
Oh my gosh.
Next.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, say less.
Oh no.
Yeah, I might
How the fuck would you show me something if I couldn't have it?
really be. I'm in love with an emo girl.
I wanna kill my
Kill my dad.
I wanna kill my
Grandma.
Oh, this nigga look like Lil Tugger.
Wait, hold on. That was you? Hold the fuck up. Yeah, hold on.
What did I do?
What up, Lil Mari?
Y'all at
What the
work?
whole chat?
What's up? What y'all doing?
Y'all at work?
Just give it homeless. It's alright though. We don't judge.
They about to start validating now, bro.
I ain't say that. I'm confident.
It wasn't me, bro.
Yo, follow me on Instagram.
What's on Instagram? Okay, that boy got a degree.
They about to play your shit, look.
Oh yeah. So free shaker, free
Free
shaker.
shaker, free shaker.
Yo, hold on. Yo, put your IG down there. Put your IG down there.
Let me hear your shit.
Yeah. Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked. Oh!
What's funny? Why he laughing?
We talking about something else. Let me see. She ain't.
Oh!
This is
Yeah, boy. Oh!
Now they look at the dude, she jagging. She jagging. Yeah.
how old Juju? Juju, how old you is?
25.
She high. Why you high? You not trying to cry? You not trying to cry?
Oh!
You not trying to cry? Yo, y'all ever been to New York? Yeah.
Our senior in college, you gonna come?
Alright,
Oh,
bet.
man. We coming to Tennessee, you heard?
Not coming down. I'm coming October 11th.
Alright, we sliding.
Stop the cap.
Y'all like, we sliding. Y'all always
Now we make moves like that. I ain't gonna lie, we make moves like this. Yo, Mari, check my YouTube channel.
It's a whole lot of ass.
T.I. Schoolie.
You streamed